This season, winter session at the Ottawa School of Art, I am teaching two really interesting courses. One is a Textiles mixed media course, and we will explore the fibers, traditional fibers, and traditional methods of using these fibers in making fabric, non-traditional and traditional, from felting to spinning yarn to knitting, crochet, to hand sewing, to embroidery, a whole bunch of traditional styles if we can. What I mean is, when I say if we can, is that this is a student-led course, and if the students want to spend more time in some area, we will. If the students want to explore how to break the rules, I totally recommend that, which is going to be so much fun. Oops, I want to pull this, don't I? Pull it and break it. And it is going to be really exciting because I would just love to play with fibers and textiles and see where it goes. But again, this is student-led, and I will give you some skills and some ideas to think about. It's going to be so exciting, and I hope that you register at the Ottawa School of Art. Go into courses, registration, type in TWISS, hit enter, and you'll find the two courses